Let me show you how you can find and manage all display settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So all you have to do is just to open system settings, and right now we have to start scrolling for display. And as you can see in displays, we can quickly change between light and the dark mode, but also we can schedule dark mode to be turned on and off by using this simple method. You can do this with your custom time or, for example, from sunset to sunrise. In displays, we can change brightness manually. We can also use automatic brightness, but once we actually turn it off, we can even reach extreme brightness. So we can increase the maximum brightness of display in this phone. But you have to remember that it only works when you switch off adaptive brightness. Right here we can find motion smoothness. So this is basically the refresh rate of your screen. You can get it between 60 or 120. We get blue light filter. You can turn it on manually, and you can also schedule and change color temperature. Here you can find adaptive color tone. You can find description of this feature right here. Next we can find screen color mode. You can even find some advanced settings when you go for the vivid one. We got RGB palette color. Next we can find font size and font style. We can even get bold font. Right here we can change screen zoom, and we got camera cutout, so we can hide camera cutout in some specific apps. In this place we can change screen timeout, and we can even get this option to keep screen on while viewing. Here we can find easy mode, so this one allows us to actually make text on screen items, everything basically larger. And also we got each edge panel that we can customize. We can actually change here a lot of things, change color of this bar, transparency, size. We can add some shortcuts, some apps. Here we can also find some navigation bar, so we can get 3 buttons navigation. We got swipe gestures. We can change position of these buttons. We can turn on and off quick access into the assistant. We can also turn on and off circle search. Here we can find touch protection. We can increase touch sensitivity. We can show charging information on always on display. And here we can also find screensaver. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.